2026 is behind the corner, and these tools and strategies are the best way you can prepare yourself for the upcoming or even this year. So watch all the way through and let's get straight into the video. Before we jump into Perplexity, this is how you use AI. So you can do, why are my OBS screen recordings so laggy? Boom, and it gives you all the main reasons for OBS recording lag, and it has actually helped me. It was, I believe it was this. So yeah, just like this, you can use ChatGPT and it gives you a whole guide of how to fix your problems or how to cook a recipe and all of that basic stuff. Boom. Boom. Now we're in a different AI. It's called Perplexity AI, or sorry, Apple bought Perplexity because it's the, in my opinion, the best search tool right now. And yes, it's better than Google. This is basically Google on steroids. Before even typing anything, if you want some topics, you can go to home and you can go straight up to finance. Boom, it loads up everything about finance, create watch list, gainers, losers, active. You got US market, you got crypto. Boom, this is tons of value already. Like, you didn't even write anything and you already have all of this. Or earnings, screeners. This is for all the crypto guys or the stock market guys. You can even watch the Coinbase 50 index. I'm not the best in stocks right now because I believe for stocks you need to have a little bit more money than I currently have. But yeah, this is already boom. Let's move from the finance to travel, for example. You can travel here. Boom, you can trending destinations, Barcelona, Edinburgh, Gold Coast. Boom, and you got all of these like best hiking trails in Slovenia. Like, why would you even use Google at this point? Why would you even use Google at this point? I'm going to make a video on Perplexity, but I'm just trying to show you, or even academics, I'm just trying to show you the capabilities of AI, and you already probably have your mind blown because you didn't notice. You didn't use Perplexity. If yes, you can clap for yourself because you're probably a little bit smarter than all other humans. And I'm not saying this in a egoistic way. I'm just saying you learn way faster with Perplexity. That's all I'm trying to say. You get these academics, so technology and computer science. If we click that, what are the latest research trends in technology and computer science in 2025? Boom. Brain computer interface, BCE, technology, blah blah blah. I'm not gonna go deep into all of these super complex niches or thoughts, but you can already see something about 6G. Like, this is crazy. Then you got these related questions, but okay, let's slow down a little bit. Let's slow down a little bit. This is tons of information for you right now. I get it. So let me do 1 minute of silence. Okay, I'm just joking. This is probably not what you came for, but I just wanted to do a little pause because I'm probably going a little bit faster. So for the rest of this video, I'm going to slow my voice down, okay? If I'm too slow for you, then you can always speed the video up. Let's continue into the next AI tool. Boom, another tool, Leonardo AI. Use Leonardo today for graphic designs. You can do fashion, you can do marketing, advertising, products, architecture, interior design, and much more. Exactly. So yes, this is as you probably already can tell, it's an image generator. And if we launch this app, which is, in my opinion, I choose the best AI tools I used or I'm currently using. I'm not currently using Leonardo AI. That's why I'm on a free trial now. But you can do real-time canvas, you can do flow state, videos, images, upscalers, Canvas edition, and even more. This is just a showcase of what you can do with Leonardo AI. It's pretty cool. I saw a lot of realistic photos, or you have this candy or glass fruits and vegetables, whatever that is. You get these realistic portraits, and you can even do videos. You can even do videos with this. So if you take whatever images you've done, then you can create videos with it. So Leonardo AI, definitely check that out. I would highly advise you to take this plan to get 25k tokens, because if you want to do videos, if you want to just do images, this is probably way enough for you because one image costs like 10 tokens, but videos, they cost 200 tokens. So you're gonna consider buying these two plans for videos. But yeah, this is Leonardo AI. If you want me, we can do a tutorial on or walkthrough on Leonardo AI. So yeah, stunning visuals with Leonardo AI. Boom, what we got here, it's make.com. Let me just log in. And what is make.com? It's an automation application basically. So you can create scenarios that automate whatever you want. So you can do watch Google Drive and send to an email finder. So if we click this, it's a scenario that I have built to basically take the rows with leads, format the full name, replace new lines in quotes, so just some filter it, and find emails, send them to an email finder to validate the emails so I can then do better outreach. Or you have some integrations with Google Sheets or whatever you want. It's really simple. Let me just show you on this. I have created a SaaS product, literally just in Make. So this product basically converts video to text. So you have transcript. This is basically like a transcriber. Here's the verification if the person actually paid. If yes, it goes here. The difference here is you got Cloud Convert to make the file a little bit smaller so it can process easier because OpenAI has some limits, and blah 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 blah. So you basically have a SaaS product. How you do it? You just right click, add module, and boom, you already go. You basically do OpenAI, create a model response, connect automatically, boom, and you can already start doing stuff. I have done, here you can choose the models, prompt type, you can do text prompt, you can actually say, make me matcha. No, I'm just joking. I don't want matcha. I don't even drink it. But just enter a prompt like you would enter into a ChatGPT. ChatGPT, yeah, into ChatGPT. That's what I'm trying to say. And here we got max output tokens. You can maybe say 1,000 or 100 or 10 or 1. Depends on how much of an answer you want. And you just play with it. I have done many videos on make.com. So if you want to check them out, I will. Okay, now it actually is bugging for some reason. Don't know what happened. Anyways, if you want to learn make.com, I will definitely revive this series. Right now I'm more focused on Xcode and learning learning iOS apps with AI. So that's what I'm doing right now. You can check it out. But yeah, if you want me to revive this series a little bit faster or continue it on my school community to genuinely make you an AI automator, because I am myself an AI automator before I switched to coding or coding with AI, prompt engineering, and all that stuff. Basically, if you want me to do that, I can definitely switch back to this content or do both, whatever you like. But let's move into the next tools. I chose Lovable, but you can also use, for example, bold.new. Again, I have made videos on that. It's in the AI or vibe coding, basically. I'm not a fan of this, and again, I have created a video or filmed a video, vibe coding versus using AI to code. It's a little bit different. But if you are just making demos or some really simple websites that doesn't have much function, you're mainly looking for really stunning visuals, use Lovable, use Bolt.new. Because in Lovable, you can, for example, create all of these, crazy websites that look like this. They are like interactual, but they doesn't have that much of use. You can see, like it doesn't work the best, but if you do get started, it's just open like visuals basically. That's what I'm trying to say. But the visuals are looking crazy. Don't get me wrong, but it usually doesn't have backend and all of that stuff that you actually need. But just to create stunning visuals, 100% use Lovable, use Bolt.new. I encourage you to play with it, to learn it, and it's a good thing to actually experience vibe coding. But let's move into the next level, which I have switched onto. And that is my favorite Claude, or Claude AI, how I call it. Let's see into some of my chats. Top AI tools for video content. It gives you ideas, or you can do Swift UI basics review enhancement. So I just gave it a basic Swift UI content view of an Apple like landing page or homepage, and I just said to make it improve the content view a little bit, make it more interesting without adding more files. Boom, paste it, and within seconds Claude gave me a whole different code which improved the view or the content view, so visuals basically. Let me just show you how it actually works. So create me a simple code for Xcode and walk me through it. Boom. Just literally no context, nothing, and boom, I will create a simple iOS app in Swift for Xcode. Boom. Within seconds. I didn't even finish the sentence. It already is producing code for us. And it has a content view, important structure, state management, main UI layout, title section. Like, I cannot even wrap my head around how much I'm grateful for Claude, because with Claude you can just create apps, charge 3k, 10k, 5k, whatever you want for them, or whatever the value is, and sell them. Just find the clients. And for that, of course, do some cold calling, do some cold emails. If I can tell you, do cold calling. That's the best. But this is probably not my target audience. I don't think you want to make a living with AI, probably. But I want to include it in this video because I actually do living, or like do make a living. I don't even know how to say it. Sorry if English is not my first language, but I do make a living with AI. That's what I'm trying to say. And that's why when I'm going to launch my school community, it's gonna be cheap. It's gonna be like $20. That's a meal. That's a meal in McDonald's that destroys your health. You can just spend it on my school community and actually learn something valuable and make 100,000x even if you want. Literally, I'm not joking. You can easily make two million from the stuff that I teach you. So what I was trying to say is my school community is not going to be my main source of income. So that's why I'm not going to be this course seller or whatever. Nobody can label me that because I can make the community for free. I can make it for free, but then people will not value it, and because I know how humans are, we don't value what is given to us for free. So $20 is probably reasonable. Maybe I will make it 10. We will see. But for my private members that are watching me for this video, I will launch it. I will let you know, and yeah, you could get it even for $5. So, but jumping a little bit too ahead of time, let's continue in the video. So, whatever you want, whatever with coding you want, go to Claude AI and learn it there yourself. Because what is more valuable than actually learning coding with AI and even using AI? That's why I don't like this vibe coding meta or whatever. It's past us already. People realized it, but they don't know what to do right now. So that's what I'm here. That's what I'm telling you. That's all my videos that I posted before this one. That's what they are about. How to do AI coding. You can just tell it, okay, I have this error, screenshot it, do like this. Oh no, here is an error. What do I do? You can be dumb. You can just say like, oh, I have an error, help me fix it. And it will actually fix it. I have tried myself. Yes, you can be smart about it. You can say the error says blah 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 x y z, but Claude is so smart. You don't even have to do that most of the time. So yeah, this is coding with AI. This is what I'm trying to say. If you look at my YouTube channel, I'm all about AI. I'm all about the grind. I have done my videos. This is my crazy era that I don't even want to go back to. But I'm trying to be consistent, trying to do business with it. So I'm doing real life videos, right? And I have this many views. Of course I'm starting. I have only 400 subscribers, but I've put in the work. You can see it here. I've put into work. AI cat videos, and just compare the views. Just compare the views. 1.7, 20 million, 70 million, 2 million, and what are the videos about? Please, what are the videos about? 8.8 million. Is this what makes people money? Like, I know you're probably joking right now, or laughing, sorry, but this video made thousands of dollars. You know that. Do you understand that when you watch content? It's not just, oh, haha, a funny video. No, these are thousands of dollars. Tens of thousands of dollars before your eyes. 26 million views. I even saw one with, 135 million. It's literally pictures. It's not even videos. You don't even have to use VO3 for this, or any like video creation. You can just do pictures and you can get 135 million views. Are you crazy? This is what AI is capable of doing. I'm not even trying to promote all of this. I think it's garbage. You should, of course it's for kids, but like kids should watch something more At least to make it sense, like not all these crazy cat videos or whatever. But I'm just trying to say what AI is capable of doing. It's not like anything like whoa rocket science. No, but it gets the views. It gets millions of views basically. And these YouTube channels, let me just look up one YouTube channel, right? This YouTube channel literally makes thousands of dollars. It makes thousands of dollars. I'm sure. I'm 100% sure. There's some videos or no? Yeah, it even has videos. It even has videos, and these videos make tons of money. Tons of money. Especially because they probably get really good watch time because people or kids who watch it, they watch it all the way through. It's just 1 minute. Boom. So they got crazy retention, crazy monetization. It's just crazy. It's just crazy. So this is one way of making money with AI, but more than I want you to make money this way, I want you to be able to see how people actually use AI, you know? To be a little bit more open-minded, like realize how people actually use AI and realize how you are working in your 9 to 5 job, struggling while you can do this and make 10x your income. Just think about it right now. Think about it with me. It's nothing hard. You don't have to even create anything new. You just have to use GPT, which you already are using. Just use it a little bit different way. Create me cat videos or cat images. So I think I'm going to end this video with this. If you watch it all the way through, I'm really happy. Thank you a lot because it helped me a lot. And do something. Genuinely, after this video, I want you to take an action step and do something with the information you gained in this video. Because if you just watch this video, I don't know how long it is, maybe 20, 30 minutes. If you would just watch it and you're just going to scroll away and do doom scroll and watch these people make money in front of you. Why did you watch this video? You're just wasting your time. So get to work, use AI, learn it because you have to. You have to. Before the year 2026, you have to learn AI and leverage it and even monetize it, Or use it to your advantage, use it in your job. I'm not saying cheat on your tests or cheat on your work. I'm just saying use it to your advantage. Help the company make more money so you will get more money. You get what I'm saying? Don't be lazy. Don't be like, oh, I don't need AI. I want to keep my brain cells. Of course, everyone wants to keep their brain cells. It's like, not wearing shoes because you want to be natural when you're supposed to run a marathon. You're not going to run a marathon barefoot, right? I'm nothing against grounding and not wearing boots on your garden. That's fine. That's really good. But like running a marathon without shoes, just because you want to stay primal or whatever, that doesn't make sense. You're gonna get bleeded. You're gonna get your everything destroyed. Your knees, your toes, everything's gonna be destroyed. While people just run past you seamlessly, right? That's why I want you to learn AI. See you in the next one. Bye bye.